How do you get somebody on your team to do something that they don't necessarily want to do, right? That's a really important leadership skill. And for me, one of the things that was really helpful was explaining the why to them. So back in 2009, Simon Sinek wrote a book on this topic, the importance of the why. And I think it's so important, right? I don't know about you, but for me, if I know why I'm doing something, there's a much greater chance that I'm going to buy in. If I don't know, I still might not want to do it, but if I know that there's a reason, I understand why it's beneficial, maybe for me, maybe for somebody else, maybe for the company as a whole, at least now I know why I'm being asked to do it, as opposed to just do it, right? Do as I say I need you to do. That's not very inspiring or motivating, right? So for me, I think it's really an important leadership skill to develop, a leadership habit to develop, to talk about the why very often, not just once. One of my clients just asked me the question the other day about how often do you think I should tell them why I need them to do this thing that they're not doing. I think the answer is often, very often, because if you just say it once, it's going to be forgotten. You've got to share the message over and over and over, and from different angles. Think about how this task that you need the person to do, how can it benefit them, right? How can it benefit their growth? Maybe today, maybe tomorrow in the company, maybe beyond this company. How can it benefit the team, right? Why is this important to the team? Why is it important to the outside stakeholders, like the client, the referral source, the insurance carrier, if this is related to a restoration job? How is this task that they're being asked to do? Like maybe enter daily log notes, right? That's a really boring thing to do. And if you don't know why it's important, then you're not going to be very motivated to do it, right? So I think it's really important for us as leaders to explain the why. And not only how does it affect the individual, but how does it affect the team? How does it affect the business as a whole, right? And maybe it's, if we do X, Y, and Z, we can be the best. We can be the best in our marketplace. Maybe it's helping people to rally around the idea of being the best in your marketplace. Maybe it's around making more money for the individual team member, right? Maybe doing X, Y, and Z will help them earn a larger bonus. Maybe it's, if we do these things, we make life easier for our teammates. Maybe if we do this set of things, the company continues to grow. And if the company continues to grow, the company is able to increase compensation, provide more benefits, provide more time off, maybe start a 401k if they don't have one. What are the benefits? Why are we asking people to do what we need them to do? And we also can get a lot of buy-in by asking them for their feedback, right? There's certain non-negotiables, certain things that we have to do, but are there ways of making those things easier for our team members? And let's ask them for their feedback, get them to be involved, get them to be part of the solution, right? Not just complaining about what it is that they see are problems. Equip them to make positive improvements in the business. So again, how often does it make sense to talk about the why? I think as much as you need to get buy-in, to help people understand why they're doing things. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me by clicking the link below this video and book a call. See you in the next video.